Oh my god, the stock market is crashing. What did I do? I made such a big mistake. I bought growth stocks and now the markets are crashing. What do I have to do? I think I'm gonna sell off my investments.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Wietse and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, number 4 on the series A Road to 100,000. If you missed the previous episodes, you can check them out in the playlist here. I'm really excited about today's video because it's always nice to talk about when you have a profit or when your stocks paid you a nice dividend. But I think it's just as important to also talk about the moments that it's not going so well with your investments. And that's what my channel is all about. I want to be so transparent as possible because I want to show you guys my journey on how to get to the 100,000. And I know that it will be with ups and downs. But first, a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and I'm simply posting my financial journey and my investments here. And if you want to invest just like me, always make sure you do your own research and be aware of the risk that you can lose your money. The stock market is like a roller coaster. It goes up and down and up and down. And if you step out in the middle of the ride, you will get hurt. Because if you sell when your stocks are down, that means that you secured a loss. But if you keep calm and you just let the stock market do its work, you probably will see that it will go up again. And what I did in this video is to double down on the stocks that I believe in long term. So I see this decline not as a bad thing, I see it as a buying opportunity. I can buy the same stocks but for a lower price, so it's basically like a discount. And who knows, maybe the stocks will even go lower, and that's okay because I will keep buying these stocks every single month. And this method is called the dollar cost averaging. Because of this method, I will keep on buying shares of a stock, and sometimes it will be high price, sometimes it will be low price, but on average I will get an average price. And this is really important because no one can predict the stock market in the short term. I wish I could, but unfortunately I can't, and no one can. But what you can do is think about what companies have the potential to grow in the long term. And I believe that the companies that I'm buying have the potential to grow in the long term. So maybe right now they're down and maybe they go even more down. But I believe that if I hold these stocks for at least 5 to 10 years, I will make a profit. And one thing I really want to mention is that on the DEGIRO, I mainly invest in growth stocks, and growth stocks are more volatile than dividend stocks. And what volatile means is that the value can fluctuate a lot. For example, Bitcoin, it goes up and down. It went from 20,000 to 4,000, now 50,000, then 40,000. A perfect example of something that's really volatile. The value is not stable. And if you look at a stock like Ahold Delhaize that I bought in another video, you see it maybe goes down and up a little bit, but it's 0.5% or maybe 1% up or 1% down, really stable. I think a mix of both is really important, growth stocks and dividend stocks, and I will also make a video about this topic in the near future. This month I'm gonna put my 1,250 euros completely in the DEGIRO, because like I said, my growth stocks that I bought are down a lot. I see this as a perfect opportunity to accumulate more shares of these stocks and add them to my portfolio. That being said, I'm now gonna share my screen to show you guys the purchases I will make. And if you just want to invest like me on the DEGIRO or on BUX, I have some links in the description where you can make an account and we both will get a nice bonus. Here's the overview of my DEGIRO account. I just put 1,250 euros on my account like I do every month. And this is for the month March. And as you can see, it's not been going so well. I'm down more than 500 euros. That's of course a lot of money, especially consider that my portfolio is around 2,000. So that's like 25%. But I don't mind this. And it maybe sounds weird to say that you lost 500 euros and you say it doesn't really matter. It was expecting to go down at some point, but no one can predict the future, and unfortunately me neither. And in investing there are no guarantees whatsoever, so always be sure to invest with money that you can miss, because imagine if I needed this money right now, I had to sell off my stocks with a loss. But because I only invest with money that I don't need, I have a good amount of savings, I have some extra extra money left over in case I need it. So the money here, I don't mind. And I already told myself I'm not gonna touch this money for more than 10 years, possibly even longer. Of course, it's never nice to see that you're minus 500 euros, but in this case, it's okay for me. And actually, we get a big discount on buying stocks. And there is one stock that I bought that I was gonna make a video about. It's Lemonade, and that stock also tanked a lot. I lost a lot of money with that one, but I do believe in it, and I will make a video about this in the future. But I just really wanted to make a video where I showed you guys the lows, the minus 500, because that's what my channel is all about. I want to show you guys the highs, but also the lows. I want to document my whole journey, not just the nice things, not just the nice parts. I also want to show you guys when it goes a little worse, or a lot worse in this case. But again, my overall strategy is to do it for the long term. And it's just of right now, I'm talking and it went up 25, then it goes down again. And who knows what it will do in the short term? You don't know that. But if you invest in companies that you believe in the long term, it doesn't matter if you sometimes lose a little in the short term. So yeah, like I said, I put 1250 euros in my account and I'm gonna buy the stocks that I have in this portfolio. As you can see here, it's Airbnb, Beyond Meat, Lemonade and NEO. Let's start with Airbnb. I'm gonna do a limit order of 165 and I'm gonna buy 2 shares. Place order, and there we go, and successfully placed. All right, then we go to Beyond Meat. I want to buy Beyond Meat for 129 and I want to buy 3 of those. Confirm. Then we go to Lemonade. I want to buy those for 84 and I want 5 stocks. Place order. Confirm. And then the last one, NEO. I want to buy 10 stocks of NEO for 34. There we go. And there you have it, guys. There you see NEO already went through. The other ones are still open, but I suspect it won't take long for them to go through. And then I will have lowered my average purchase price. As you can see, for example, here now with NEO, it's $44.49. And before this, it was 55. And there you see Lemonade. So that's another one. And as you can see, I lowered also my purchase price there. It was 115 and now it's 99.5. Beyond Meat, Airbnb will soon follow, I suspect. And then I will have lowered my average buying cost of these stocks. So this was episode 4 of my series, A Road to 100,000. Let me know in the comments down below what your take is on the stock market right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to smash that like button. And if you want to follow me on my financial journey or learn more about personal finance, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Thanks for watching. I hope I see you in the next one. Have a great day.